Hello viewers, are you looking for a stylish and practical way to keep your phone upright? Look no further than this DIY wooden mobile stand design tutorial. First, gather your materials, a piece of wood, a saw, sandpaper, and a wood glue. Start by measuring and cutting the wood to the desired size for your mobile stand. Next, sand down the edge to ensure a smooth finish. Now, it's time to assemble the stand. Apply wood glue to the edge and press them together firmly. Allow the glue to dry completely before using your stand. And there you have it, a simple and elegant wooden mobile stand that will add a touch of sophistication to your desk or bedside table. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more DIY tutorials and creative ideas. Thank you.